Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair video, not ever saying that I am a hair guru or makeup guru because let's get real, I am not. But I have been doing something new with my hair and wanted to share it with you guys. I did my heatless curl videos a couple months ago, so if you haven't checked that out, it will be in the description box down below. I think it turned out really great. It's using no heat to curl my hair because I have stick straight hair and it lasts for up to 3 days using the technique that I have been using. So today I am doing something else, and this is really towards day 2 and day 3 hair. So I have tried to go 3 days without washing my hair. And so on day 2 and 3, I'm having to find something else to do with it because obviously this is not looking too great. So I'm going to show you the products that I use and how I do this bun. So it is called a sock bun, but I don't use a sock. I think that's, I'm not going to use a sock. Plus I can't really find any in the house anyway, so I'm not using a sock. I am using this piece that I got from Dollar Tree, and it looks like this. It does have little hangy things going on right there, so ignore that. And I actually used this when I was in the military. This is how I did my bun every single day, but instead I did it towards the back like this, and I'm doing it more on the top here. And then we're going to be doing a braid around it. There are probably better techniques to do it, but this is just how I do it whenever my hair is not so dainty, as you can see. So I am going to brush it out and show you the things that I use to get it ready and how I do it. So here we go. So I am just going to brush my hair real quick. As you can see, roots are growing out terribly. So I will be dyeing my hair real soon. If you have any suggestions on what I should dye it, please let me know down below. Things I don't want to dye it are green, orange, and yellow. Basically everything else is up for grabs. Okay, so as you can see, we've got some major oil going on right here. So we're going to fix that. Usually I have been using my Collab dry shampoo. I got this in a Target beauty box a little while back that I will leave in the description box down below if you want to check out. I got the real deal. I believe this was like $5. I think it's great. The best thing about it is oil absorption without white residue. So whenever you spray it on the head, you would see some white residue in certain ones. So like if you spray the Dove one just super close, you will see white. So that is not happening with that one. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about Batiste. This one is a little bit more expensive than the other Collab and some others that I've used. And this is UK's #1 dry shampoo. Well, because it says right there. So I'm going to use it just like I would anything else. And I part my hair like this first before doing the bun, just so I'm getting all of the places that need dry shampoo. I'm going to do the part. So we're not seeing any white, so that's good. And this also gives it some texture. Then I just go throughout the hair and part it. Rub it in. Okay, so I feel like putting dry shampoo in at first makes it easier to grab when it's not slippery and oily. Gross. So now I am going to brush it all out, making sure it gets all throughout the hair. I'm going to back this up because I gotta flip the hair. Okay, so I use 4 hair bows. And we are also going to be using this. Technically, I should use those little bobby pins to hold in little places, but I like it to look a little messy, so I don't bobby pin anything down. So I am going to try to get a ponytail pretty close to the top of my head. We all know how to do that, so I'm going to do it really quick. Okay, so we have a pretty high ponytail going on. This is a look within itself, so anyway. The next thing I'm going to do is put the donut through the pony, like that. I like to just hold it. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, there's the donut. So now you're going to pull the hair all around the donut like this. And you don't want any of the donut showing. So if you've got hair in more places, it needs to go elsewhere. And then pull if there's any that came a little loose. You don't want it to be sticking up in the bun. So now I'm going to separate my hair into sections. Now if you have thin hair, you could just do this with one braid. I have very thick hair. So I have to do it in two sections, meaning two braids. So I am just brushing out this section. This also lets me know if there's one that's thicker than the other one. As you can tell, there's a height difference. But it doesn't really matter because they're just wrapping around, but that is pretty crazy. And again, this is a look within itself. Kidding. So now I'm going to braid both sections by themselves, just a normal braid. Again, all depending on the thickness of your hair, you could use a scrunchie or a fifth hair bow. I am going to be doing a fifth hair bow just because my hair is feeling very thick today with the dry shampoo. And as always, this is a look within itself. So if you want to stop here, you're totally fine too. Just kidding. So I'm going to zoom up and then we'll put this all together. Okay, so now I'm going to wrap the thicker one around so it's not showing as much, and then tucking it in the back, and then wrapping this one around in the back as well, and tucking that and securing with another hair bow. And if you have a cute scrunchie, unlike me, you could put one right there. I don't. I have this one and I don't even think it's going to fit around it. But this is how I do my braided bun in a sock bun, even though it's not a sock. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I think it looks really cute with certain outfits. So I am really happy with it. And then to top it off, I am using some hairspray that I got in a Ross haul. So if you haven't seen that video, it will be linked down in the description box below. This is Love Beauty and Planet. The cool thing about this is it is non-aerosol, so that means that it is not powered by air. So when you spray it, it only a little bit comes out because it's not by air. It's just pushing up like this. So and it smells amazing. This one is coconut milk and white jasmine. I got a little hand cream in my first Target beauty box I ever got, which made me fall in love with this brand. So I started getting all the coconut and white jasmine products. I use it for my shampoo as well. So I really enjoy this. I think it's cool that it's not aerosol, so if I drop it, it's not gonna explode. It's trying to help the environment because gosh, we are doing some crazy stuff to it with all the products that we use. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.